My name is Jouko Lassila. I come from the Welding Society of Finland. I'm also the Vice President of IAW, in which role I will have the opportunity to discuss about the role of IAW the next 10 minutes. I have no idea what Gustav said to you before, but I think he said something like it might be quite expensive to join and so on. But you seem to have fun when he introduced my speech, so I hope that I don't say anything against him now.
You don't have a clue what I said.
I don't have a clue, but you said something that to join IAW might be expensive. Yeah, well, that's what I heard. Well, it is true. Okay, so shortly about IAW. It's International Institute of Welding, and this works like that. So I have something like 15 slides. I don't get through them all. I will pick up some important things out of every slide. And the most important thing of this slide is worldwide network for knowledge, to remember. So IAW is worldwide network for knowledge. The vision is to share best joining practices within the member countries. So the next one comes to the figures. So we do have 56 countries joined in IAW. Then we have 45 out of them has what we call ANB, Authorized National Body for Education. So this means that 45 countries run International Institute of Welding's courses for welding engineers, welding technicians, welders, and so on. And another 11 countries are members, but not run any courses yet. About these diplomas, I mean, when you get to the course, in the end you will get diploma, and around 130,000 diplomas have been distributed for welding, various kinds of welding experts since '98. So this is quite a massive system for welding education. And this is the map of the system. I mean, all the other Scandinavian countries are members, Russian, most of European countries, Australia, some South African countries, Canada, USA, and so on. What might that be? Is it Greenland? Well, it comes from Denmark. Denmark is a member. I don't see any Iceland here, but perhaps in the future. So, one of the ideas in IAW is that member societies send qualified people to the working units, and those qualified people go back to their countries and distribute the information. That's one of the key ideas of that. Some about organization. Someone asked me before that why didn't Matthias from Sweden come here today? He did have another appointment. He is still working group standardizations chair in IAW. There are some other working groups like this, what I discussed about International Authorization Board, which runs the education. And another outcome from IAW's activities is what we call newspaper by Springer nowadays. But I will come back to that in details. So we are active in several fields of welding, and now these red ones are more or less technical fields. We can take, for instance, arc processes, film materials, power beam processes, additive manufacturing, thermal cutting, and so on. So these are more or less, we call them commissions before. Nowadays we call them technical working groups. Again, there are some softer aspects like health and safety, education and training, quality management, research, and so on. All these also have various technical working groups, which, by the way, gather together twice a year. Then some more general, like quality control, fatigue of components, design, and finally, we do have some groups which concentrate in some particular products like shipbuilding, oil and gas, aircraft engineering, and so on, automotive and road transportation, for instance. Okay, so I'm trying to say that we are in most of the welding fields, wherever you wherever you are looking for that process. So something about technical output. So what we are producing. Wrong button. So we produce standards. In the years we have published 30 standards for welding, of course by ISO, but they are prepared by IIW. 145 books for welding. This is the newspaper Welding in the World, published since '63. Nowadays it's only in internet, not any paper versions left, but still you can subscribe it. And the education and training part, which I discussed earlier, 10,000 diplomas a year, and totally 130,000 so far.
May I just help on the scientific impact of the welding in the world is now 1.2, almost 1.3, not 0.86. That was the last year.
This one?
Yeah, no.
Actually, I didn't go there because I know it was an old one. By the way, he is
growing a lot, and so it's an important journal that is available for publication.
Yes.
Support. Sorry, may I say
Yeah,
something?
so of course.
So this welding in the world is a journal that supports the people that participate as main priority. So we also receive unsolicited papers, but the priority is exactly for the people that produce some work towards the international committee of welding, community of welding.
I will have a picture out of it, how it works. Petro is chairman of committee 3, subcommittee solid state welding, yes, in IIW. So I promised to. Well, let's. In that Welding in the World paper, there are research and scientific papers, and technical and engineering papers, and guidelines and best practices, roughly. And this is how it works. We have, as I said, we have 2 annual meetings, one in summer and one in January. And in all those 25 commissions or technical working groups, there will be papers to present it. Meaning that, for instance, Petros, let's take an example. In Petros' commission in Bali last summer, you did have something like 10 to 15, I guess, 10 to 15 papers, each 20 minutes. And afterwards, so they are technical or industrial or whatever papers. And after presenting the results in that meeting, there will be some approval or not. And if it's approved, it will be read. I try to use as simple words as I can. It will be read by another scientist, and he will recommend or not to be published. And finally, it will be published by Springer in that Welding in the World paper. This from the meeting to the Welding in the World paper takes something like 1.5 years.
No, that was like that. Now it can be
Now
6 months.
Okay,
Yes.
can be 6 months,
Can be.
but as a mean value, let's say 1 year.
Yeah, the impact factor is depending on all those factors. So,
Oh yes.
the reviewing process
Oh, yes.
has to be fast
Oh, yes.
now, and we are very active on that.
Pedro is one of the best reviewers. I said previous I said readers, but meaning that they have to read it through
So
before
this
it
is a
will be
great
published.
benefit for the people that participate
Oh, yes.
in the meetings,
Oh yes.
because there are not so many journals open for publishing welding technology related research.
Okay.
So this is a great opportunity also to have return from the investment there. besides
So,
many others.
So just quickly, the papers come mainly from Germany, China, France, some from Finland, Sweden. So this is the distribution. I will jump over this when I tell that we have products which is, for instance, collection of radiographs for NDT people. And then this is the training and qualification and certification system, starting from international welding engineers. So how many welding engineers we have here? You are one, the only in Iceland, and a couple of 2 or 3 in the back row. So there are not too many in Iceland. Perhaps something should be done. Again, international welding technologists, specialists, and so on. I heard that Germans sometime have had some course here in Iceland.
Yes.
For international welding specialists.
Yes. We have
Oh,
about 10 or 12
Oh yes,
IWS.
But anyway, we think that this is important to keep the quality of the welds high. So, something more about the education and training. These are the curves. How many we have produced totally. International welding engineers until now, welding specialists, and so on. And finally, this is the yearly curve that was cumulated, the previous one, and then this is the actual number in the year. So it was increasing, and now it has a bit been decreasing. So that was my message. Thank you for your attention. I distributed a couple of annual reports of IIW, and I couldn't bring all 40 pieces with me, but circulated, and there will be a couple of web addresses in which you can get more information. Thank you.